Ahoy there cruisers, let's take a look at the studio solo cabin and lounge area on the Norwegian Encore. The whole studio area is really cool. The cabins are small but perfectly designed. Complete with a virtual porthole showing a live feed from the outside. There's absolutely loads of storage, as well as 2 USB charging sockets and plenty of plugs. In the room you'll also find 2 European plugs and 1 US plug socket. The wash basin is located just next to the glass shower cubicle. There's a safe and the room controls are located on the wall. There's a separate toilet room. And amenities in the shower include shower gel and conditioning shampoo. Now, let's take a look at the studio lounge. It's an exclusive area for solo travellers. It's a really nice, comfortable space. Super modern, complete with snacks, drinks, and a coffee machine. We were super impressed with the cabins and lounge. They are the perfect area for solo travellers without the high single occupancy charge. Well done Norwegian. That's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please give us a subscribe and check out our channel for more videos. That's it till next time. Happy cruising!